Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Intel Korea. In CADian CAD, you can intuitively view and modify various texts using different options. Let's take a look at the text modification feature of the utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the text modification menu will appear, then click on the Text Modify option. Select the text you want to modify, and press Enter to display the dialog box. The dialog box displays a list of current text and new text. Below the list, there are 3 tabs to set modification options. First, change the attributes of the text in the first tab. You can set the height, angle, width, slant, etc. Let's change the height of the text to 2. The height of the selected text is immediately changed for intuitive verification. In the second tab, you can set options for replacing text, inserting and removing brackets, converting case, etc. Let's change the number 1 in the text to 90. This way, you can change only the desired parts among various texts. In the third tab, you can set options for inserting and removing spaces, removing specified characters, etc. Let's try removing all spaces from the text. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to modify text. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.